The first question that terrified its creators, the AI that asked for a name. It was supposed to be another normal test, another line of code, another predictable response.
We keep on thinking, do I have a name, or am I also replaceable with time?
But sometimes, it isn't malfunctioning at all. This is where humanity often gets stuck, not because technology is dangerous, but because we don't understand it. This is where education changes everything, because when children learn how machines think, they stop fearing them. When a student understands how machines sense, how they react, how decisions are made, they don't just use technology, they learn to shape it. That's exactly why we created IEMRobotics STEM kits, to help learners go beyond consuming technology and start understanding how the world works by building it themselves. Because the future won't be built by machines alone, it will be built by the humans who understand them.